I used 1/2-inch plywood for the sides, and then I bought one 8-foot piece of 1x4, and this is kind of the rough drawing that I'm going off. Okay, I have to, this is the board that's going to be permanently attached to the back of the bike rack, but it has a little flip up at the end of the bike rack, and so I need a little more height so that the basket doesn't hit. So I'm going to cut this 1/2-inch piece of plywood, and I just wanted to show you how I set that up with, I have a 1-inch setback on my saw, so I have this Harbor Freight guide, and I set it back 1 inch. And then so now I need to go ahead and drill these 4, which will be with the T-nuts on the back side, and then this will go through the basket and connect to the T-nuts. So I'm going to go ahead and drill those out. Okay, I've got all 4 T-nuts in, so what will happen is the basket comes through, these will screw in, and you can see they'll hold it tight. Okay, so I need to get this mounted. I need to actually put some clear coat. I think I'm going to stain these. I got a couple of stains I'm going to look at, but we'll get back to that in a minute. I'll show you. Probably the next time you see it, it'll be stained and mounted to the bike, okay? All done staining the box, gonna go to final assembly. It's the same piece of drawer liner. I'm gonna stick this in here in between the 2 pieces of wood just to give it a little bit of a cushion. right, and here's the final product with my 2 Trader Joe's grocery bags that I built this box to accommodate. Stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to show you a way to carry your bikes in the back of a pickup. The e-bikes are really heavy, so I'll give you a quick preview of that.